Look what we have here. We have a huge unboxing to do. Not just this, I have this big box right here. I did a home essential haul. I've been procrastinating this haul for a very long time, and I decided my home needed some luxury touch, so I shopped some items from Macy's and from Walmart. I can't wait to show you all what I got. They are so beautiful, from things for the bathroom to other parts of my home. So first we have this. I got this for my daughter's bathroom. She loves pink, but I couldn't find it in pink, so I decided to get this in aqua. I have the has and the bats. I also got the same for my son. This color and brown and the gray is what I found. So my son's bathroom, I also got the same. This is the complementing bat for the bathroom. I also got this to style every one of these items in the bathroom, and you'll see what I currently have and the lift that is going to give to my bathroom. So this one is so pretty. So this is the one for my husband and I got it in gray. His and hers. I still love it. The size, the fabric, even the back. So this is not the type you worry, like you can easily put this in the washing machine and it will wash very nice without having to worry about the back ripping. Like there was one I bought, but the back ripped. So this is what it looks like. Then I got one for the bathroom downstairs. This is what the brown looks like. The brown does look good, but I felt the gray would look nice for my bathroom. Then this is the pink. I'm going to be using this for my daughter's bathroom. At least the pink is gonna work to complement the aqua that she has, or should I say the peach. This looks very nice. It says peachy clean. I so love it. Now let's jump right into the Walmart. I will also be showing you guys how I'm going to be styling this in the bathroom, like the before and the after, and you would see that this upgrade was well deserved. It was long overdue and needed to be done like long time ago. So this is the bath, and this is the spa. I've so loved this. I've seen it like a few content creators' bathroom, and I wanted to get it. And when I found it on Walmart, I was like, this is the time to get it. I love that it comes as a set, and I think the price is reasonable. I can't really say exactly, but it's less than $50. It's actually less than $40 for both of them. I'm gonna be tagging it in the description box for everyone who is interested. Next is this. So for the gray, since we have the his and hers, and when we are not using the spa and the bath, I'm hoping this gray would complement it. So for the his and hers, our normal the jacuzzi area would have this, or in front of the bathroom, the shower. This, my son is gonna, I bet my son is gonna be sleeping in his bathroom, even my daughter. So I just got one. I wanted to see what their reaction would be when I get the first one. If my daughter seems interested, if it's gonna cause a fight, then I would get an extra one for the other kid. So it has colors, it has months of the year, it has shapes, it has sight words, even though they are past this stage. But it's actually a fun mat to have in the, maybe in the bathroom, or in the, maybe the door of the playroom, the family room. It has the times, the number table from 1 to 10, 10 times, 1 times, 2 times, and all that. It's such a fun mat. I would definitely recommend it for like a kid's bathroom or a kid's bedroom, but it's so cute. I would probably put this one in front of the door leading to your bathroom. It's so cute. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'll be styling it. Keep watching and don't go nowhere. And if you're new here, my name is Vivian. I create content around fashion, home, and lifestyle. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if this is the kind of video you love, and also subscribe to this channel.